Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. As you can see by the title above, this video is in collaboration with BeeBeeCrafts. They reached out to me to pick out a few products and share with you guys. So that's what we're doing today, and I want to show you what I picked out. So the first thing that I'm going to show you guys is this super cool like jewelry kit. I picked this out because I want to work on making some tassels with some beads and stuff like that. I've been seeing them go around a lot, and I've been inspired to want to create and play around with just different ideas to do some stuff. And I had seen Happy Mail Queen kind of haul one of these quite some time ago, and I've been meaning to get one, but when I saw it on this site, I definitely picked it up. You get a bunch of little clasps, you get little jump rings, all different mixed metals, and yeah, you can do a lot of things with these guys. You can clip these onto tags, you can share them with your pen pals. There's just endless things you can do with these kits, and they sell them for a super affordable price. The next thing I picked out were some sequins. I got these cute little star sequins. I picked up this little box and this one just because I don't have any stars, and I thought it was super cute. I did think the packages were a little bit bigger, but it's still a good amount that you get. And then you guys, I picked up these super cute little tassels. You guys know that I make my little flag embellishments, and these are super fun for those, just to kind of like give them an extra little flair to the project. And I like the fact that you get a variety of colors. In the Maggie Home ones, I think you get just the peach, the pink, and the mint green, but these you get mint green, pink, purple, dark blue, black, white. So the variety is nice, and you get a large amount for a cheap price. So everything, you guys, is going to be linked down below. Definitely check them out. They have a ton of stuff. The next thing I picked out were these super cute resin pieces. I absolutely love these. They have like that towie style, and I picked the pink one. I think they have a different variety of colors, but you get little donuts. Look how cute, you guys. Flowers, little lollipop, a bunch of bows, just a variety, and you get so many, you guys. I don't remember how many pieces come in here, but there is a ton, and I'm going to have the link down below so you guys can check them out. Look at the little rainbows, you guys. So cute. Look at that. I'm going to have so much fun playing around with these, sharing them with my pen pals. They're just adorable. And my wife likes to collect these too. She loves like buttons and stuff like that. She just loves little knickknacks. So when she sees this, she's going to love them. And last but not least are these super cute felt balls. I had seen a post back in fall, during the fall, of some cute little acorns made with the little acorn caps. I didn't find the acorn caps yet, but I will, and I'm going to be making some. So I wanted to pick up the little felt balls because these are not regular pom-poms. They're made out of, you see that, like the little felt, and they're like more firm than a regular pom-pom. And you get this whole pack. So yeah, you get the entire pack. They all come together, and I don't remember the prices, so I don't want to quote any prices, but definitely check the links down below. So I got this little like mustardy yellow, purple, ivory white, some orange ones, so you get 6 in each little pack, blue, the dark brown, kind of like 2 different tones of pink, a darker pink and like this type of pink, a mauvey pink, and kind of like a cranberry pink. And then the last 2 colors are this green and this gray. And yeah, you guys, that is my BeeBeeCrafts haul. Thank you, BeeBeeCrafts, for sending me these goodies to try out and use on my channel. As I said, you guys, everything will be linked down below. Definitely go check them out. They have a huge variety. You will definitely be searching for quite some time, but everything is going to be linked. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Don't forget to hit that bell to be notified when I upload, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.